Welcome. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by too many posts from a specific Facebook group, you're not alone. Sometimes your feed just needs a little break from the chatter without leaving the group for good. Today, I'll show you exactly how to snooze group posts on Facebook using your PC, following the latest update. Let's jump right in and help you reclaim your feed. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your homepage, scroll through your feed until you spot a post from the group you want to snooze. This can be any post. Just make sure it's from the group you need a break from. Next, look to the top right corner of the post. You'll see 3 small dots lined up horizontally. Go ahead and click on those dots. This will open a menu with several options for managing your feed and post preferences. From this menu, look for the option that says Snooze the name of the group for 30 days. The group's name will be displayed right there, making it easy to confirm you're snoozing the right one. Click on this option. That's it. For the next 30 days, posts from that group will be hidden from your feed. You won't see any updates from them, but you'll still be a member of the group and can visit it anytime you want. After 30 days, posts from the group will start appearing in your feed again automatically. If you want to snooze them again, simply repeat these steps. This feature is perfect for when you want to take a break from group posts without missing out on everything else Facebook has to offer. It's quick, easy, and totally reversible. Thanks for watching.